How to change default clothing in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the option labeled Avatar at the bottom middle of the screen. This will bring up your current avatar with all the items you are wearing. Give it a few seconds to load completely. Next, tap on the Customize section. From here, you will see options like characters, head and body, clothing, accessories, emotes, and animations. You can change your default look to a new one from here. Head to the clothing section and simply select the shorts, pant, shoes, and more that you want to change. If you want to remove the default clothing, simply tap on the item you are wearing. It will be unequipped automatically. After that, you can scroll through your available items and tap on the one you want to wear instead. It will instantly appear on your avatar. If you don't have any other clothes in your inventory, you can visit the shop by tapping the Marketplace tab and browse free or purchased clothing. Once you have made your changes, exit the avatar page and your new look will be saved automatically. You don't need to press any save button. And that's it. Now you know how to change default clothing in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.